Sediment isn't just a single problem. It creates a cascade of expensive issues, from clogged fixtures and reduced water pressure to damaged appliances and compromised treatment systems. This video identifies which of the best sediment filters for well water effectively protect your entire water system by preventing both visible particles and the microscopic grit that causes the most expensive damage. Links to the lowest price for each water filter mentioned are in the description box below. If you're working with limited space but still want quality filtration, the U.S. Water System's Magna Compact Whole House Water Filter offers a practical solution. The system is made entirely in the United States and focuses on durability and reliable water quality. And its compact design easily fits in tight areas like utility closets, garages, or even outdoors. This filter uses reinforced polypropylene housings and stainless steel threadings, meaning you won't have to worry about leaks, stripped threads, or durability issues that can come up with cheaper plastics. A double O-ring seal ensures every drop of your water is filtered. No bypass, no shortcuts. Your well water will move through a 3-stage filtration system. The first stage catches larger particles such as dirt, rust, and sand, helping extend the lifespan of the downstream filters. In the second stage, a carbon block cartridge works on reducing chlorine, odd tastes, annoying odors, and general cloudiness. An anti-scale stage comes next. It prevents hard minerals from sticking to pipes and appliances. This salt-free approach lets you skip the hassle of salt bags or backwashing while still protecting showers, faucets, and water heaters from scale buildup. There's also an optional UV disinfection stage for those who want extra protection from bacteria and viruses. Setup is straightforward and doesn't require specialized tools. You get color-coded filters, an installation manual, and a filter wrench. Filter changes are quick and don't make a mess, allowing you to keep maintenance simple. Even with high flow rates, up to 15 GPM, you won't lose pressure during showers or when several fixtures run at once. Support is available if you have questions. Real people, not just online guides. The system comes with a lifetime warranty and a 1-year satisfaction guarantee, so you have room to see how it performs for your household. For anyone wanting lasting American-made quality in a space-saving form, this filter is built to deliver without fuss. When you use the Crystal Quest Fluoride Whole House Water Filter, you're bringing a comprehensive filtration system into your home that tackles not only sediment, but also fluoride, heavy metals, and common water contaminants. Right from the start, water flows through a large 20-inch sediment cartridge. This first stage is designed to catch silt, sand, and dirt, so your water looks and feels cleaner straight away. Afterward, water travels through a solid carbon cartridge. This stage helps cut down on volatile organic compounds, industrial solvents, and pesticide residues. You'll notice a reduction in any lingering chemical taste or odor, thanks to this thoughtful extra layer. Next, water enters a mineral tank filled with a specialized calcium-based charcoal media made from animal bone. This unique approach means you benefit from both carbon absorption and mineral lattice filtering. Notably, the system is built to effectively reduce fluoride, lead, and arsenic, important if you're concerned about these elements, and it works reliably even across a wide variety of pH levels. An added bonus is the inclusion of media to discourage bacteria growth inside the filter. If you want to further enhance your filtration, you can opt for a smart filter media blend or add-ons like a UV sterilizer for improved microorganism control. If you're dealing with well water and want the best sediment filter for well water, the Aquasana Rhino well water with UV system is designed to give your whole home comprehensive protection right at the main water entry point. This system is equipped with multiple filtration stages, including a blend of copper zinc media and activated carbon. The copper zinc part does more than just reduce contaminants. It helps stop algae and bacteria from growing in the tank itself, adding another layer of reliability. The activated carbon works to improve taste and reduce common chemicals. One key highlight is the built-in UV filter. The UV stage is tested to neutralize 99.99% of bacteria and viruses, as well as 99% of tough cysts that can sometimes slip by other filtration types. You don't have to worry about E. coli, Cryptosporidium, or Giardia lamblia, as this step ensures your water is safe for everyday use. The Rhino with UV has a high peak flow rate of 14.7 gallons per minute, so it's ready for families of up to 4 in homes with 2.5 bathrooms. Day to day, you'll rarely need that much flow, but it's there if you need it. Unlike chemical disinfectants, UV disinfection won't affect your water's taste or smell. Maintenance is straightforward. You'll need to replace the UV lamp annually and keep an eye on the system as with any filter. But there are no harsh chemicals or complicated routines to manage. If you have well water, this setup is designed so you can feel comfortable turning on any tap in your home and knowing your water is filtered, disinfected, and ready for use. Next up, if you're looking for the best whole house sediment filter for well water, then the popular SoftPro Iron Master is one of the best and most reasonably priced options on the market. This system uses air injection oxidation (AIO) technology, which targets iron, manganese, and hydrogen sulfide without any chemicals. The result is cleaner water and less staining on your sinks and appliances. The Iron Master AIO is built for large amounts of iron, handling up to 30 ppm. If you've noticed red or brown stains in your laundry or fixtures, this filter will make a noticeable difference. The system can also tackle up to 7 ppm of manganese and 5 ppm of hydrogen sulfide, which means fresher, cleaner water with less odor. One of the perks is its ability to raise water pH to above 7, helping to resolve acidity issues common with well water. The filter actually adds a boost of healthy minerals back into your water, so you don't need to worry about corrosive or sour tasting water anymore. Maintenance is kept to a minimum thanks to the high-quality German-made Catalox media inside, which often lasts between 5 and 10 years, depending on usage and local conditions. You don't have to mess with chemicals, and cleaning is managed by an automatic backwash process. The control valve is fully programmable and user-friendly. With a bright LCD display and simple controls, you can easily manage the settings or enable vacation mode, which pauses regeneration if you're away. The 1-inch ports allow for efficient high flow rates, so your water pressure stays high, even when multiple faucets or showers are running. With fantastic support and a lifetime warranty, the Iron Master AIO fits right into your home's plumbing system. Once installed, you're set for reliable, low-hassle water filtration tailored to the demands of well water. So, what is the best sediment filter for well water? If you're dealing with iron, manganese, or sulfur in your well water, the Springwell Whole House Well Water Filter is designed to tackle these issues at the source. Your water flows through an air pocket at the top of the tank, oxidizing these common contaminants before they're filtered out by the system's special media bed. This filter system removes up to 8 ppm of hydrogen sulfide, 7 ppm of iron, and 1 ppm of manganese. With a daily automatic backwash and regeneration, maintenance is pretty much hands-off. The air pocket is renewed each cycle, helping to eliminate that unpleasant rotten egg odor caused by sulfur. Springwell uses certified components for reliability and durability, and the control valve is fully electronic. You can manage settings like air draw and backwash cycles right from your phone. Thanks to Bluetooth connectivity, this means you can adjust and monitor your system in real time without needing to be in the basement or utility room. There's no noticeable drop in water pressure, even in larger homes. The filter supports up to 12 GPM for homes with up to 4 bathrooms and up to 20 GPM for larger households. So showering, laundry, and running appliances can all happen at once. If you want additional features, you can add a UV system for extra water purification. or a smart water monitor, and shutoff for enhanced protection against leaks. It's built to handle the unique needs of well water while helping your home run smoothly. Plumbers, well specialists, and homeowners unanimously agree the best sediment filter for well water isn't an option. It's the essential foundation of any effective well water system. Skip this critical component and you're guaranteeing problems throughout your home. Follow the expert's lead and start with the right sediment solution today. Links to each product are at the top of the description box.